Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Hope you're having a great day. This is a review for Branson Tay's brand new product called Read4Money. So this is going to be a Read4Money review. We're going to go through the sales page. We'll go into the back office. We'll take a look at that, and I'll get to my bonuses I'm going to be giving out with this product. But first off, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll get started. Okay, so what is Read4Money? Read4Money is basically, let me show you the sales page here before I show you the bonuses. So it's basically, oh, that's my bonus page. Hang on a second. Here is the sales page. So make the cash register rings during the holidays. Expose breakthrough Amazon loophole. Pays us $11 per minute for reading from our phones or computers. So guys, I've been playing around on the back end. As of right now, as I'm making this review, there's no training in the back end. So I'm not sure exactly what the strategy is for making the $11 per minute, but I'll show you what it can do in the back end, and then we'll see if it's worthwhile. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple of, if you do want to pick it up, just if you want to pick up the front end to hang on to it to see if the training is going to be good when it comes out, I will put in these bonuses here for you. So the first one's going to be Polaris. This is going to be, you're going to be able to sell a ton of ClickBank products with pre-built funnels with this software. So this alone is worth the $17 it's going to cost you to pick up. If you want to pick up Read4Money, this will cover that if it's a software that you don't necessarily use. But I'm going to show you there's a couple tools in there that is pretty cool and how I would use it. Now we've also got how to be an online entrepreneur. This is really important because a lot of people actually don't know how money is made online. They're very confused, and they're like, oh, I get this product and then I make money. It's like, no, it's all about driving traffic. And if you haven't learned how to be an online entrepreneur, you really need this course. So this is key. This is fundamental for you. We've also got how to use Instagram influencers. There's a lot of people on Instagram that you're able to tap into what they do and get your message out to a lot of people. So that's a really good training course. And then we've got the TikTok, get a ton of traffic, free traffic from TikTok using the methods and the software in Nova here. So that's the bonuses there. And then also Branson has thrown in some really special bonuses for some of the us affiliates to give away. So you're going to be able to get access to that. Now, if you think, now Glenn, I don't think this is for me after you see the tutorial or the review, come down here. I don't want you to go away empty-handed. This is a free gift. This is my 6-figure blueprint checklist. It's a simple 2-page document, and it really just breaks down exactly what you need to do and what you need to know in order to make money online. So going back to the sales page here, I'm not going to go through it because there's a lot of hype on this sales page. Instead, I'm going to jump right into the back office here. So this is what you're going to be getting when you do get Read4Money. Now, I like that he's put in a support ticket on some of his other products. It was hard to find support, and of course, you can do the upgrades. Now, what is worrisome? Well, not really worrisome. This is because it's just launched today. As well, I'm doing this review as it's launched today. The My Training button doesn't work, so I don't know how the method they're teaching to make the money from Amazon is going to work. So I don't know how that works. But what I do know, which is really cool, and because, guys, so the main strategy online is creating content that people want to consume in order to get them to consume the content, and then to learn more or to maybe purchase something, you put a link in it. So why I like this software, it's pretty easy. Like say I've got a short ribs. Maybe I have a tool from Amazon I want to sell that does short ribs, or it's a grill thing, or it's a did anything come up? And maybe you've got a short ribs cookbook you're selling or anything like that. So what I would do is I would use this to get content. So what's cool, St. Louis style ribs gain popularity throughout the country. So it's an article about St. Louis ribs, right? So here's how I would use this. Go through, this is a little grammar checker here. So when you're in this, so it's got the full article. So it's brought down this full article. So I would use the grammar checker, check the grammar, and it's going to run the, there we go, grammar has been fixed. And then this is a rewriter. When I was trying it earlier, it was not working, but maybe it will be. Yeah, it's still not working exactly right. So when they get that sorted out, and I'm sure their tech is working on this, I'm not too concerned about that. You'll be able to rewrite it. So once you rewrite it, so there's a couple things you could do. You could copy it and create an article of your own to put your link in it, or you could spread the word. This is they've got this as you could like use it to write content for gigs online. So you could have a say you want to write an article, you could share it as a snippet for Upwork or Fiverr or that kind of thing, or you could actually hook up your Facebook account here and then use it to post this. And let's sorry, that one's got that spin thing going. So what you could do is, so if you got here, you correct the content, and then you could share like a little bit of this. You could do this as a social post, grab an image where they have their Facebook poster, and you could share this out to Facebook, and you put a link to it on Facebook. So it's like in your Amazon link or whatever it is, or maybe you want to share it out to Twitter or however you want to do it. So this is one way of being able to find content very, very quickly online. Yes, you could do this with Google. Same thing. It's like this is a little sort of back office suite that you can do that. The big thing though is really, you'd have to be you'd have to have a following on Facebook for people to go like your stuff. So maybe you've got a Facebook page about ribs, and maybe you're selling, some keto diet stuff or some rib stuff, something meat, or whatever it is you're selling. This would be a great place to come and get more content for it. For $17, you'd have access to be able to find this content. Again, you could probably find most of it on Google. It's just when they get the spinner working, that's going to be really cool. Facebook Money, and then of course you just have your Facebook poster. You connect your account, and then you'd be able to post it directly to your page. SMS Money. If you don't know what SMS is, it's I don't even know what SMS. It's for texting cell phones. So with that, you would have to have a plan. Like you'd have some sort of SMS plan to be able to text to people on a list, and of course, you'd have to build a list of people's cell phones. So then you'd be able to send them off. You'd find content, doctor the content, rewrite the content with an affiliate link in here. Because like when you click on this, guys, this is now editable, right? So you could go in here and edit any of this stuff. So it's kind of a cool little word editor. And then you'd be able to share this content and send it out by SMS, or you could send it out by email. Now you'll see in here, you'll see like mailgun configuration, Mandrill, SendGrid. So if it's SMTP configuration, you'd configure it with your hosting. Now your hosting plan, depending on who you have, if you have hosting plan, they don't want you doing mass mailings. So if you were doing small mailing, that's great, but you'd really want, if you're going to be sending out like 500, 1,000, 5,000, like I send out about 50,000 emails a day. So I would have to use something like Mailgun or Mandrill or SendGrid. So you'd have to connect that, and it's very inexpensive. It costs 0.000 point. It's like 0.00008 cents an email that you send. So it's very inexpensive to send email, but when you're sending a lot of email, it will add up. So you'll have like a email campaign, that kind of thing, and then that's basically it. Now, when we're getting into the strategy of the making $11 a minute, or $11 a minute, is that what it was? $11 a minute. I don't know how exactly he's doing it because there's no training. So I think, it's a possibility of picking up. Hey, you could pick up this product and grab my bonuses. So then you'd have it. As long as you keep the product, you get my bonuses. Now, at some point, they will come out with the training and have that technology in there, and they'll have the training on exactly how to do it. So that's one way to do it. Here, let me jump back on my screen here. So I'm talking to you. There I am. So I really wanted to like this product. I was hoping like this is really cool if there's an Amazon loophole, but I don't see anything in the back office about an Amazon loophole. So I'm a bit confused, and maybe it's just because they haven't finished putting the training up. So that being said, it's something you might pick up the front end and pick up the upgrades later if you wanted to get it. We'll go through the upgrades on my bonus page here, just so you know what they are upgrading. Here, share my screen again. What's it going to cost you? It is, the front end is $19. There'll be a $2 off downsell. If you go to exit the page, it'll pop up a downsell for you. Unlimited is $47. I think the downsell is 37 or 27. They have a done for you section. I don't know what they would do in the done for you that you couldn't really do yourself. It really doesn't, they say on the sales page that it's pretty easy to set up. It does look pretty simple to set up. It takes longer than a couple of minutes, but yes, you could do it. Hands-free automation, they probably have an automation tool that's going to be posting. It'll search for content and just automatically post that content for you. So it'll keep posting onto your social media, onto your Facebook kind of thing. You got to be careful with that. If you post too many times, then Facebook will get mad for you. Income multiplier, earn 5 times money with Read4Money account without any extra work. Turn $500 paydays into $2,500 paydays. So I don't know exactly what that monetization is. And then limitless traffic, you get to put your Google or Facebook pixel on their sales page. So you'll be able to collect the data on who's buying the product. Franchise license, you're able to make all the commissions. And then emergency CAS method accidentally found on beta testers. So I don't know what that is. That's some training. That's probably a case study. So Amazon is paying $11 per minute to read simple text. We make money from our computers or even phones. Just 2 minutes to get started. Not really. It's a bit more than 2 minutes. Zero hard work. We just read and get paid. 97% of beta testers profited within 6 hours. So I'm thinking that there's where am I here? I'm thinking there's some kind of method that has not been revealed to us because the training is not there yet. So again, this might be something that you maybe want to come back and revisit and pick up. Right now, I probably wouldn't pick this up at the moment because it doesn't look like it's quite complete. But send me a comment below if you're interested in getting my bonuses. We can I'll revisit this and see when the training goes up, and we'll see if I can revisit this video, maybe make a second video for it. But right now it doesn't seem like it's quite complete. And I'm kind of disappointed because Branson usually puts out great products. They sell a ton of products, and his products are really good. He has low refund on his products, so his products are working for people. Like he sells 20,000 units of a product and less than 7 or 8% refunds. Well, that means that the product is working, people are buying it, so that's a really good thing. So make sure you hit subscribe. Now, if you're not interested in doing this, make sure you go grab my free blueprint. And also, if you want to know what my favorite business to promote is, and this is something, it's the second link below there, guys. It's something that if you're really serious about making money online and you're ready to do the work, maybe you've tried a whole bunch of kind of get rich quick schemes, or maybe you've tried a whole bunch of programs like this and you can't make them work. It's probably because you don't understand the marketing part of it. You're in this like, oh, I'm gonna get this program, it's gonna make me rich, but you're not understanding like the back end, the selling of it. So my number one business is actually training about marketing. And it helps you set up a whole blueprint. It helps you set up a business. It changed my whole outlook on training when I joined it and went through the whole process. So that's the link below. I would give it a go. I think you can get started for a couple of bucks. You get the training. It's a business challenge for a couple of bucks and get started there. All right, guys, this has been my Read4Money review tutorial walkthrough. Click the link below if you do want to pick it up and just have it sort of hold on to it. It's not like it's a very expensive thing. It's cost the price of the pizza. Get it, and then when the training comes out, you might go, wow, this is really cool. This training is very, very cool. But right now, I don't know what the technique is for using the Amazon loophole. So that's where you go. What else? That's it. All right, great. I will see you on the next one. This has been Read4Money review demo walkthrough, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. Cheers.